morning. On behalf of Yankton Thrive, I'd like to welcome and thank everyone for coming to this special ribbon cutting today. Today we are celebrating Explorers Credit Union and the completion of their building project. It seemed like yesterday we were breaking ground. The team at Explorers Credit Union is committed to providing friendly, personalized service to their members while creating a welcoming and convenient space for the Yankton community. On behalf of Yankton Thrive, Board of Directors, staff, and members, we are pleased to present you with this certificate. Thank you for being a part of Yankton's thriving business community. Now, April, if you would like to tell us a little bit about yourself and Explorers.
Hey, I'm April Tompkins. I'm the CEO of Explorers Credit Union. We started working on this building remodel a few years ago. It became a concept in our minds, and I have to tell you, we are more than ecstatic just to be at this moment. So, you know what? We made it. So, I just want to say a huge thank you to the staff for putting up with the noise, putting up with the dust, the dirt, the surprise walls, the walls that were all of a sudden gone too, disappeared. They did such a good job. They kept member service at the forefront. They smiled through the whole thing. I'm just so proud of you guys. Thank you for all of your support. Thank you to the board members for believing in the vision and for being there to support and lead us through this project. So thankful to have them volunteering their time for this credit union. I also want to shout out Kevin and Dennis and the team at Walpole Construction. They did such a great job. Thank you for taking on this project. A new addition and a remodel is an incredible project to take on, and I just want you to know we really appreciate everything that you've done for the credit union. It looks phenomenal. I also want to shout out Perspective Design in Sioux Falls. They're the ones, Jim and his team, they did the architectural work. They did a great job. As you're looking at the building, just know all of the hard work that went into this building and who's ultimately responsible for those parties, my team. Also want to shout out, I don't know where James is. Is James in here? Yeah. James, the man in the orange, that is our facilities manager. He worked so many late nights, more than I'd like to even say. He did so many coordinating of efforts, probably managed 120 different things at a time. Thank you, James. Yes, you did such a great job. You were very appreciative for all of the work. So thank you also lastly to the membership for putting up with our drive-up remodel, our surprise changes that we did in the Yankton branch too. So we appreciate all the patience and we hope it was worth the wait. Excited to have you guys all take a look at the building. So thank you.
Again, congratulations, and we look forward to watching you continue to thrive in Yankton. Now let's cut that ribbon.
All right.